So we are now going over the last synthesis question on my note 16, because I think it's a good connection between what we learned before midterm 1 and what we learned today. Okay, what we learned before midterm 1, we have your first city, alkyne, like a R, and you have your second city, RH, and we told you there's only one way, right? You only learn one way to make RX, right? We said this is chapter 3, or, yeah, 3, okay. This is chapter 6 and 7. If you, kind of like a long time ago, I write this reaction map, right? The only reaction we learn here is halogenation, right? Which means whenever you see a alkane, your first step is always going to be halogenation. And this case, I need a secondary, right? I need a secondary. Well, use your best justification. Who should be the halogen? Okay. Cl works because yeah, did you remember the selectivity?
1, 4, 5.
Yeah. So in reality, this is what we do. We will use bromine because bromine always goes to the most substituted one. And the bromine has really high selectivity. The 1600, you guys still remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So if we use bromine, it will sure go to this secondary, right? If you want to use bromo, you can. So this is why, we want you to practice with who is the major product in midterm 1, because now you're using it.
Okay.
Are we good? It's not, this type of question will not be tested on midterm 2 because you guys are just learning this. We will wait until final when you have more reactions. So we only learned 3 reactions so far. It's mix and match. You do SN1 and then SN2, SN2 and then S1. There's nothing fun with it. But once you learn more reactions, then you can start to build a longer route. Okay, I can go here, I'll do one more, and I can make one more carbon or make a double bond somewhere. So that's why it's will not be tested on midterm 2. Okay, now from here to here, that's what you learn.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, I did not introduce stereocenter here, but if I want, just like I will write in this way, because here it's both methane. It is not a chiral center, but I'll write this way so you know it's an SN2. I will use NaOCH3, okay? Probably, okay, your solvent is HOCH3 in this case, and it will become a dash OCH3. Right? In the exam, if you don't show this solvent, it's okay. I do need to see the nucleophile, the most important part. But later, when you go to 118B, it's dependent on who is your instructor. They will have specific requirements on, I need you to put the reagent nucleophile on top. Usually reagents will be on top, solvents will be in the bottom, okay?
Yeah, okay.
But this one, I'll still write HOCH3 here because that's what it formed, okay? Are we good? Are we good?
Yes.
Okay.